Desert. August. 12:30 p.m.
Vikram had 9 years on these pipelines. Fast, precise, fearless.
Attention all personnel, it's 12:30. Midday break is now active. Clear the work zone immediately.
The deadline is today. 20 minutes. That is all I need to finish this.
My hands, why are they shaking? I just need one moment, and I will be fine.
Vikram! Vikram, can you hear me? Someone is down in the work zone. Emergency response. Move now!
Is he going to survive? Tell me honestly, will Vikram make it through this? Core temperature 42 degrees. Heat stroke at this level causes organ failure within the hour.
Midday break is mandatory. 12:30 to 3 p.m., no outdoor work. Every single worker, no exceptions, ever.
Understood. I will personally make sure every worker clears the zone. This will not happen again.
The job will still be there tomorrow. You might not be. Remember that.
I understand now. I will never put a deadline above my life again. Thank you for finding me in time.
Vikram survived, and from that day every worker on that site knew, no deadline, no pressure, no job is ever worth your life. Heat has no mercy. But awareness does.
To everyone on this site, listen carefully. Midday break is mandatory, not a suggestion. From 12:30 to 3 p.m., no one works outdoors. There are no exceptions. No deadline is worth your life. The heat will not warn you. That break is mandatory, and it saves lives. Stay safe.